Hello, it's Eric and welcome back to the Drawio Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to add a diagram in Confluence. Whether you're collaborating with your team or documenting technical processes, integrating Drawio's diagrams into Confluence can significantly enhance your project management and communication. As Confluence acts as your organizational single source of truth, you'll find Drawio as the best way to visualize that information. Here's your Confluence page where your diagram is going to live. Diagrams in Confluence are added as macros to pages, and there are a couple ways that you can do this. First, add a diagram by clicking the plus sign in the upper toolbar. This brings up the menu, and you can search Draw.io. Quicker way to do this is by using keyboard shortcuts. Simply hit the / key, and this will bring up a search bar where you can begin typing draw.io. After accessing the search bar, you have three options to choose from. The Drawio board, this is something that we touched in our last video. This option opens a new whiteboard, perfect for team collaboration and brainstorming. Next is our Drawio diagram editor. Use this for more technical-oriented use cases and documentation. It provides a structured environment for creating detailed diagrams. And lastly, you have the option to embed a Drawio diagram. This option allows you to embed a diagram that was created and saved on another Confluence page. It doesn't duplicate the diagram, but renders the source diagram, maintaining a single source of truth. Any updates to the original diagram will also be reflected wherever it's embedded. In our next video, we'll go through the process of getting started with your diagram or board editor. If you choose to embed an existing diagram, simply select Embed Drawio Diagram, navigate to the location of the saved diagram, and insert it into your page. Embedding a diagram means that any changes to the original diagram will automatically update wherever it's embedded. All right, so there you have it, another step forward in the journey of mastering Drawio. Now if someone asks you how do you add a diagram to a Confluence page or embed a pre-existing diagram, you can easily show them how. All right, in our next video, we're going to dive into the start menu and the things you need to decide before you get started. I'll see you there.